Why Priyanka Chopra stood on the Oscar stage while her co-presenter called for a free Palestine. She said nothing. And now the internet has a lot to say about the silence. Let me explain why Priyanka Chopra, one of the most globally recognized Indian actors working in Hollywood, is facing a wave of criticism right now, and what the moment at the Oscar actually revealed. It happened at the 98th Academy Award held on the 16th March at the Dolby Theatre in Los Angeles. Priyanka was on a stage, present the award for Best International Feature Film alongside the Spanish actor Javier Bardem. Before the presentation began, Bardem stepped to the microphone and delivered a brief but a powerful statement. He said no to war and called for pre-Palestine. The audience responded with a loud applause. Now here is what it gets important to understand the full picture. Borden had already signaled his position before he even reached the stage. He arrived on the red carpet wearing a pen in the red no ligra, which means no to wars. Same pen he wore at Oscar back in 2003 when he was protesting what he called the illegal war in Iraq. He also wore a second pin for the artist for Ceasefire Collective, a symbol worn by several other artists at the ceremony, including Mark Ruffalo, Billie Eilish, and other in a solidarity with the civilian in Gaza. So when Borden spoke, it was not a surprise. It was a deliberated predict act solidarity, and Priyanka was standing right in the next to him. According to report, as Borden made his statement, Priyanka gave a slight nod but said nothing. She said not comment, did not echo words, and didn't add anything to the moment. That silence is what triggered the backlash online. People pointed out the Priyanka served for years at a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, a role built for speaking up for the vulnerable people around the world. The question being asked loudly on social media is simple one. If she genuinely stand for humanitarian cases, why was the silent at the exact moment it mattered? The criticism also connected to the border conversation about India's position on the war in Gaza. India has mentioned close tied with Israel, has largely avoided publicly criticism Israeli military cooperation. Many people online draw a direct line between the political silence and what they saw as Priyanka's personal silence on the stage. The Oscar moment lasted just a few seconds, but for many people watching, it said something much louder than any speech.
आज हम बात करेंगे हुकूमत के एक अहम फैसले के हवाले से। हालिया दिनों में पेट्रोलियम मसनूआत की कीमतों में ज़बरदस्त इजाफा देखने में आया, जिसकी बड़ी वजह आलमी हालात, ख़ास तौर पर ईरान इसराइल कशीदगी 2026 है। इसी तनाजुर में पाकिस्तान की वफाकी हुकूमत ने आवाम को रिलीफ देने के लिए एक सब्सिडी स्कीम मुतारिफ करवाने का मनसूबा बनाया है, जो ख़ास तौर पर मोटरसाइकिल और रिक्शा ड्राइवर्स के लिए होगी। हुकूमत के मुताबिक इस स्कीम का मकसद इन तमाम तबकात को सहारा देना है जो रोज़ाना की बुनियाद पर ईंधन इस्तेमाल करते हैं और जिनकी आमदनी बराह रास्त पेट्रोल की कीमतों से मुतासिर होती है। पेट्रोल की कीमत में हालिया 55 रुपये फ़ी लीटर इजाफा और मिट्टी के तेल में 40 रुपये इजाफा ने आम आदमी और आवाम की ज़िंदगी को काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल बना दिया है। ऐसे में ये सब्सिडी स्कीम एक वक्ती रिलीफ के तौर पर सामने आ रही है ताकि कम आमदनी वाले अफराद पर ज़्यादा बोझ ना पड़े। मज़ीद ये कि हुकूमत ने मार्केटिंग कंपनियों के लिए जो है वो 23 अरब रुपये की मंजूरी भी दी है, जिसका मकसद सप्लाई चेन को बरकरार रखना और मार्केट में इस्तेहकाम लाना है। हुकाम का ये कहना है कि ये इकदाम आवाम को रिलीफ देने के लिए किए जा रहे हैं, ताहम ज़मीनी हक़ाइक़ ये हैं कि महंगाई का दबाव अब भी बरकरार है और आवाम को मुस्तकिल हल की ज़रूरत है।